Hi, this is Alex Gingrich with Burbank Real Estate, and this is the May 2012 market update for Glendale, Pasadena, and Burbank. I want to start off by asking you a question. Do you think that it's a buyer's or a seller's market right now? Let's go through the numbers, and then at the end I will give you my opinion. We'll start off by looking at the number of listings compared to the number of sales and pending sales. Basically, this graph depicts the supply and demand. The light green bars are the number of properties currently on the market. As you can see, our inventory of properties for sale is extremely low right now. This is the lowest that it's been over the past 10 years. The inventory is down about 50% compared to last year and about 70 to 80% compared to 3 and 4 years ago. Now look at the number of sales shown by the dark green bars. We had a fairly strong number of sales, but look at the red line, which shows the number of pending sales. This number is very high. In fact, it's about half of the number of properties currently on the market. Take note of how this compares to the number of listings in previous years. The number of sales and pending sales is usually about 5 to 10% compared to the number of properties currently for sale. So right now we have very low supply and high demand. Now let's look at the price per square foot for sold properties. As you can see, we had a healthy jump from last month. From this jump, we are now down only about 20% compared to 5 years ago, which is much better than being down about 30% at the beginning of 2009. The last graph is a months of inventory. This shows the ratio of how many properties are sold compared to how many are currently on the market. This shows how hot or cold the market is. Right now our months of inventory is very low, which means that properties are selling and that we are in a hot market. So right now we have very low inventory, a healthy number of sales, and prices look like they might be going up a little bit. Is this a buyer's or a seller's market? Well, I have a two-part answer. First, right now is one of the best times in history to purchase a property. We have very low prices, very low interest rates. Affordability right now is very high. But that being said, we are actually in a seller's market due to the fact that there are a lot of buyers out there because many people realize that it's a good time to buy, and the number of properties for sale is very low, which means that sellers do not have to compete with many other properties in order to get their house sold. So if you're looking to buy, you need to be 100% committed to finding a property, and you need to realize that right now is the time to buy. You need to make sure that this market with low prices and very low interest rates is not going to pass you by. Thanks for listening. This is Alex Gingrich with Burbank Real Estate.